Begin by taking the top panel and folding the longest edge as shown. Then bend and fold the shortest edge. Repeat the same on both sides. Then take the longest edge and fold over the shortest edge as shown. Make sure the semicircle inlet fits securely into the semicircle flap. Repeat the same on all corners. Take the shelf panel and fold the two outer edges in toward the centre as shown. Then use the end slots of the two extremities to hold the folds in place. Take the drawer panel and fold all four sides upwards as shown. Then take the two side tabs and fold them up and inward so that the two join. Hold the two together and fold the larger front side over the top so that it slots into the pre-cut holes on the base of the drawer. Repeat the same on the opposite side, this time making sure the upper edges of the two side tabs fit into the hole of the back of the drawer, which then folds over as shown. Open the base panel, keeping the sides folded. Take one side of the base panel and slot the end tab of the shelf into one of the pre-cut holes as shown. Then take the other side of the base panel and do the same. Once the shelf is securely in place, stand the unit upright. Now repeat the same for the second shelf, making sure the end tabs fit into the second set of holes. Take the table top panel and fit onto the unit base. Make sure all four corners are securely in place. Take the plastic laminate sheet and locating plugs as shown. Place the laminate on top of the unit and secure using the plugs, one on each corner. Take the drawer and slide it into the drawer compartment between the two shelves. The small drawer unit is now complete. Take the large and small edges of the tabletop panel and fold them in half. Then take the larger edge and fold it over the corner of the small edge so that the semicircle inlet fits securely over the semicircle flap as shown. Repeat the same again on the other side. Take the large pole and lay it horizontally, placing it into the appropriate grooves on top of the two small drawer units. Take the large tabletop panel and fit it onto the two unit bases, making sure all four corners slide into place.